Hello friends, I have recently joined Capgemini and today I have got my welcome kit. So let's open it and see what's inside that. So you can see inside this I have got a box which says get the future you want. So let's unbox this box. So this is the pen, a Capgemini merchandise pen you can see. Let's keep it aside. This is a QR code for each of the social media handles. This is a branded diary of Capgemini. This is a mug. This is a Capgemini cap. This is a Capgemini bottle. We need to fill water into it to drink. And this is the cloth bag. You can use it to purchase any goods, grocery and vegetables. And this is the get the future you want, the tagline of the Capgemini.